Pydantic AI agents extend their behavior through capabilities, composable units that bundle tools, instructions, and lifecycle hooks into a single AbstractCapability subclass. The code below demonstrates a minimal custom capability that provides dynamic context to the model via getInstructions, returning a callable that resolves the current timestamp at runtime through runContext. You will see a @data class-based capability registered on an agent via the capabilities parameter, where getInstructions yields a function capturing data time, now for inclusion in the model's request.
From data classes, import data class. From dataTime, import dataTime. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import agent, run context. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability. @data class. Class knows current time AbstractCapability any. Tells the agent what time it is. Def get instruction self. Def get timetext. Run context any SDR. Return f current date and time is data time. Now ISA format. Return get time. Agent equals agent opener. GPT-5 2. Capabilities equals knows current time. Result equals agent. Run sync what time is it. Print result output. The current time is 3:45 p.m.
Custom capability extending AbstractCapability to inject dynamic instructions at runtime. The knowsCurrentTime class returns a callable from getInstructions that the agent will include as system instructions, giving the LLM access to current time without being a tool. This is a lightweight pattern for context injection that avoids threading dependencies through the agent constructor. Returning a callable rather than a static string lets the instruction be evaluated per run, similar to how dynamic instructions work with agent instructions. Trade-off is that the instruction is static text, not a tool the model can call interactively, so if the agent needs to reference time mid-conversation, it won't refresh. For runtime values that are set and forget at instruction time, this keeps the capability minimal and composable alongside other capabilities via the capabilities parameter. Let's break it down line by line.
From data classes, import data class.
Imports the data class decorator for defining data classes with auto-generated dunder methods.
From dataTime, import dataTime.
Imports dataTime for date and time operations.
From typing, import any.
Imports any from the typing module for type annotation flexibility.
From Pydantic AI, import agent, run context.
Imports agent and run context from Pydantic AI for use in building and running an AI agent.
From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability.
Imports AbstractCapability, the base class for creating custom capabilities in Pydantic AI agents.
@data class. Class knows current time AbstractCapability any. Tells the agent what time it is.
Defines a capability class inheriting from AbstractCapability that provides the agent with access to the current time. The docstring describes it as telling the agent what time it is.
Def get instruction self.
Declares a method getInstructions on a class that takes self as its only parameter. No body or return value is visible.
Def get timetext. Run context any SDR.
Defines a private method getTime that accepts a run context and returns a string.
Return f current date and time is data time. Now ISA format.
Returns a formatted string embedding the current data time in ISO 8601 format.
Return get time.
returns the value bound to get time from the current function.
Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5, 2. Capabilities equals knows current time.
Creates an agent configured for the OpenAI GPT-5, 2 model and attaches the knows current time capability to it.
Result equals agent. Run sync what time is it?
Invokes the agent synchronously with the prompt, what time is it? And stores the returned run result in result.
Print result, output.
Prints the output field from the result object to stdout. So the whole thing is one pattern, a custom abstract capability that injects dynamic context as a callable from get instructions, avoiding constructor clutter. The knows current time capability returns a function that captures data time, now at runtime via run context, and that function gets folded into the agent system instructions. It's composable through the capability's parameter, reusable across agents, and the callback returning shape mirrors how dynamic instructions work with agent instructions. The trade-off is that this is a one-shot injection, not an interactive tool, so the timestamp won't refresh if the model needs it mid-conversation. For values that are set and forget at instruction time, it's the minimal viable way to extend agent behavior.
The data time now passes through AbstractCapability's get instructions, and agent insists the clock read yesterday still.